How is the Chinese leadership change going to impact its economic policies? We've got Wai Yao, who's China economist at Societe Generale CIB, joining us now on the show from Hong Kong. To begin with, what do you make of Hu Jintao's speech? What sort of economic future do we have for the new leaders in China?
I can see that the new leaders or the current leaders, they're both aware of the challenges going forward, which is not so much in terms of the GDP growth, but rather how to make the society fairer and better and benefit more people in general.
What do you suppose this will mean now for policies going forward?
Well, in terms of economic policy, clearly the focus will be more on the reforms rather than short-term stimulus, especially in terms of the incentive for the new leaders. They get the seat, they get the top seats, and they will intend to sit in office for 10 years. So clearly it's not so much about getting the GDP growth back above 9% or anything like that, but more about how to make sure that the GDP growth is sustainable. So we are hopeful that the reform, the pace of reform will be speed up next year also.
And how about this year's growth target? Do you believe China will have trouble hitting the government forecast of 7.5%?
Yeah, we're seeing a lot of green shoots that it seems the growth, China is at the beginning of a cyclical rebound. So we're seeing the growth in Q4 this year and possibly Q1 next year will improve. So reaching the 7.5% target this year shouldn't be a big problem.
Of course, we have important data points coming out tomorrow. What's largely the expectation in the market? You know, there's CPI, industrial output and PPI all expected tomorrow.
Yeah, we do expect industrial production growth, fixed asset investment growth to quicken further. At the same time, retail sales will remain resilient. Exports are largely stable. So yeah, we expect an overall quite positive picture.
Wai Yao, many thanks for joining us on the show with your outlook for the Chinese economy.